Good morning, Padmaka. So this is my 8th video. Myself Priya Shivadas from the team of Nasibika and Vishnu. Today I've come to share a beautiful experience of my 8th prospect. So Akka, I'm just evolving every day. So blissful out of this unique training experience I have with my mentors Nasibika and Vishnu and my unique team evolving, dashing through. Okay, let me talk, Akka, about my prospect, the new one, Lata. I have met from Bangalore so many years back. Of 16 years of my career, 12 years I was in Bangalore. I was working with companies like KPMG, Codays and OPI. It's there through my colleague that I met Lata 12 years when I was in Bangalore. I was very close to her. And you know the speed of life, it's so difficult to get back to relationships. So one of the unique happiness I get in this business is, for business, I contact many people whom I wouldn't have contacted otherwise, because the number of people that I contact are so huge. Sometimes in the speed of life, you tend to forget. Now, when I contacted Lata, I knew 2 years back that her husband passed away, and she and her son was living alone. And I wanted to make their life more beautiful, and I was wondering how. It was when Nasibika gave me pressure that contact people. I thought about Lata. And then my son Rishi, who is one of your downline, 14 years old, gave her the plan. And she called me and said, Priya, whatever you do is beautiful. I'm your fan, but not this business. This business is not ethical. There's a lot of bad things behind this, which I've experienced with my husband. I said, that's okay, cool, Lata. Why don't you talk to my mentor, Nasibika? This happened 3 months back. She said very clearly, Priya, I don't think you need to do that and waste your time, because I don't have respect for this business. So somebody who says they don't have respect, I find it so difficult to go back to them. But then I put her in the list of prospects where I contact them. That is a broadcast list. And she is a consistent follower of my Facebook page. And she admires and loves me a lot. And then she was in the broadcast list also. So in the broadcast list, my check, what I earn, what happens, a lot of things consistently goes. Nasibika, whatever he has mentored me for the past 1 year, 4 months, though I'm slow, I follow it consistently. And then I never decided to, if I would force her, she would meet Nasibika. But as Ika says, I don't want to force people now to meet Ika. I feel it's their destiny. As Akka, you always says, it's their destiny to do this business. Now, last week, Ika had put my latest check, and she was consistently watching my broadcast list. When my latest check came, she just started chatting with me and like, how's your business? How are you? And I saw you got a huge check, and then the chatting went on for 3-4 days, and I report everything that happens work related to my upline, Nasibika. So I reported this chat also to him, and he was like, come on Priya, invite her. So I asked her, do you want to meet my upline, Nasibika? I edified him also. She said, why not, Priya? I was not surprised, because as Akka, you said very clearly, once you take the responsibility of your life, you can direct it. So I was directing for the setting where she would ask me to speak to Nasibika. And then comes the change. One night I connect both of them, and she starts the conversations very negatively and then ends positively. Very next day, our hero Vishnu says the plan, she's flat, she signs up. And today she joins us for Mauna, just 2-3 days. Akka, I'm humbled to add people like this to my life, and I 100% follow what you say, changing lives. With Nasibika, what our team does is changing lives. First our life, then our team's life, and world's life automatically changes when we do these two. So thank you, Lata, for being a part of my team. And she's worked with companies like Wipro and some of the best IT companies. And Bangalore, I'm coming back through Lata. And I'm so happy she's a part of our family now. So thank you so much, Lata. Thank you so much, Nasibika and Vishnu. Now, ma'am, that is Akka, I love you. And this time's love, I want to just sing a song for you and end this video of direct. तू आती है सीने में, ला 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 ला, मुझे तो प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ. Akka, every time love you in the same way is boring. So this time I wanted to tell you that nobody can love you the way I love you. It's different. Love you, Akka. Bye. So this is my 8th video about my new family member, Leta, whom I've signed up for 5,000 BV. Love you, Akka. Love you, Vishnu and Nazibika. Bye.